Happy Thursday from Christner Woodworkers. Got an order going out today to Denver. The frame is 120 inches tall, so it's going to have to go freight. So I'm in the middle of making my own pallet. We recycle here at Christner Woodworkers, and got some material here that I took off of some other pallets. So I'm going to be using that to create a good strong one. Okay, pallet's all done and weighed in at 45 pounds. So we're ready to get the boxes loaded onto it and process this shipment. Okay, this is the shipment's all ready to go off to Denver, Colorado for Barsh Woodworks. 3 frames.